What is that? What are those things falling? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get fired. I'm spilling. Luckily, my grain cart guy showed up in time. Living a dream. Good job, Dan. Good job, buddy. Well, I thought I was done with soybean harvest, but not quite. This is not the 9770. I am in an S780 with tracks, helping my brother-in-law finish his crop. He needs some help because one of his hired hands is out for a few days. So yeah, we're out here on his farm down the Bootheel doing a little combining. So we're going to see how this works. First time I've ever been in a S series or a 780 with a 40-foot draper. Living a dream. Here we go. First time running the 780. Yep. Living a dream. Well, that didn't last long. Let's see how to get out of this thing. Push that, push that. Got it. All right, we got something up here on the header. What is it? Oh, geez, no wonder. That's not supposed to be there. I'll go throw this in our yard. Holy cow. That went further than I thought it should have, but whatever. All right, let's saddle back up here. So right now I'm setting a heading to match up with my brother-in-law up there who has already set a line. He sent me a picture on a text of the heading number, so I enter that into the desired heading, hit OK, and set A, done. Should be pretty close. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Living a dream. So that's where I'm supposed to be setting, running, but unfortunately we had a piece break off of here, a divider or a piece that it's actually right here. It's supposed to push the grain, I guess, this way so it doesn't go flying that way when it comes in a tank, but it broke itself off. As you can see, it broke here, and this piece already broke. So what caused this? There's a mount down here that's broke.
A what?
A mount.
Ow.
And it ended up in there and stopped everything. So we went into the evening last night trying to get this combine fixed. We ended up having to dump out 4 or 5 bushel in there. And that's what was found this morning. Removed from up in there, which is your vertical auger. So yeah, better than taking all that loose. They were able to pull it out. Living a dream. The dream. So what happens when we have a pivot, an irrigation pivot into field? How do we get the soybeans from underneath of it? Right there. Well, we cut down one side of it, and then we turn it on, and it's running right now. And what happens is it slowly is moving this way. So I'm trying to cut out a path on this side of it so that it gets out of the way. And honestly, if we waited long enough, it would actually be over here on this side, and we could just go ahead and cut what we have already, or it would be in the way, or out of the way of what we already cut. So yeah, that's what we're trying to do. Living a dream. So as you can see, that end is already out in the path that I've cut. So I've got to get back down here quick enough before it gets into the place where there's already standing beans. At least that's what I'm going to try to do. And then once it gets in the path that I cut, we shut it off, so that we can go ahead and combine the beans that were underneath of it. So yeah, that's how we do it. Or at least that's how we're doing it now, or how I'm doing it. Living a dream.